Right now, these 30 tools are selling out faster than Amazon can restock them. I'm a contractor with 15 years experience, and even I was shocked by number 17. It does the work of 3 expensive tools combined. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you every single one, explain why they're going viral, and help you decide which ones deserve a spot in your toolbox. Let's dive in. Bucket Boss, the Bucketeer. First up is the Bucket Boss Bucketeer, and this thing is genius for anyone tired of digging through messy toolboxes. It transforms any standard 5-gallon bucket into a portable workstation with 30 pockets and 3 inner tool loops. Made from durable 600D polyester, it's built to last through countless projects. Carpenters and DIY enthusiasts are raving about how it keeps everything organized and within reach. At this budget-friendly price, it's a no-brainer investment. WORKPRO 2-in-1 electric staple and nail gun. Number 2 is the WORKPRO cordless staple and nail gun that's changing the game for upholstery and repair work. This 3.6V powerhouse handles both staples and nails in one compact tool, charges via USB in just 1 to 2 hours, and delivers around 1,000 shots per charge. 3 safety switches ensure accident-free operation. Home renovators love the cable-free convenience and the time saved by not switching between tools. For quick fixes and furniture projects, this tool pays for itself after just a few uses. ValueMax Ratcheting PVC Pipe Cutter Product 3 is the ValueMax pipe cutter with an SK5 high-carbon steel blade that makes cutting PVC, PX, and plastic pipes effortless. The ratcheting mechanism requires minimal hand strength while delivering clean, precise cuts up to 1.625 inches. The replaceable blade and durable aluminum body mean this tool will outlast cheaper alternatives by years. Plumbers and DIY irrigation installers say it cuts their work time in half. Spring and summer are peak seasons for outdoor projects, so grab this now. VEVOR Pocket Hole Jig Kit. The VEVOR Pocket Hole Jig Kit at number 4 is a complete woodworking solution with 34 pieces including an 11-inch C-clamp and titanium-coated drill bits. The CNC machined aluminum body ensures precision, while adjustable depth settings from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches handle various wood thicknesses. Furniture makers and cabinet builders praise how it creates professional invisible joints in seconds. This comprehensive kit eliminates the need for multiple purchases. If you're serious about woodworking, this investment delivers pro results immediately. AllTul Ghost 16-in-1 Multitool. Key number 5 is the AllTul Ghost Multitool keychain that combines 16 functions into one pocket-sized powerhouse made from 420 stainless steel. It handles screwdrivers, bottle openers, wrenches, and more while being TSA compliant for travel. Campers, cyclists, and urban adventurers call it their everyday carry essential because it eliminates the need to pack multiple tools. The durable construction means it'll outlast those cheap multi-tools that break after weeks. Freedom and preparedness in your pocket, available right now. Giraffe Tools. 100 FT Retractable Hose Reel. Product 6 is the Giraffe Tools automatic hose reel with 100 feet of heavy-duty hose and a 9-function spray nozzle. The automatic retraction system eliminates tangles and storage headaches, while the freeze-resistant construction ensures year-round reliability. Garden owners and landscapers say it transforms watering from a chore into a breeze, saving 15 minutes per session. Spring and summer garden season is here, and this tool makes outdoor maintenance actually enjoyable. Invest now and reclaim your weekend time. Saker Caulking Toolkit. Number 7 is the Saker 4-in-1 Caulking Tool Kit with an aluminum body and 4 interchangeable heads for effortless silicone and grout removal. This lightweight tool scrapes away old caulk and prepares surfaces perfectly for fresh application, saving hours of frustrating manual work. Bathroom and kitchen renovators call it their secret weapon for professional-looking results. The durable aluminum construction means it won't bend or break like plastic alternatives. Winter indoor renovation season is perfect timing to upgrade your finish work game. PacTool Gecko Gauge LP Siding Kit Product 8 is the PacTool Gecko gauge that revolutionizes siding installation by letting one person do the work of 2. The patented clamp system adjusts from 4 to 8 inches in 1/4-inch increments, while rubber-coated grips protect your panels from scratches. Construction pros and DIY home improvers say it cuts installation time by 40% and eliminates costly alignment errors. Spring and summer exterior renovation season is approaching fast. Grab this now and tackle that siding project with confidence. CIGMAN 48360 DeGrand 16 lines laser level. Number 9 is the CIGMAN laser level with 16 green laser lines, providing complete room coverage in 4 360-degree planes. Smartphone app control lets you adjust from across the room, while the rechargeable 2600 mAh battery with Type-C charging keeps you working all day. Interior designers and DIY decorators call it essential for perfect tile alignment, shelf mounting, and wall layouts. The green laser technology works better in bright conditions than red alternatives. Professional accuracy at prosumer pricing makes this a must-have. HARDELL 12-inch digital caliper product 10 is the HARDELL digital caliper delivering precision within 0.03 millimeters across 4 measurement modes: inside, outside, depth, and step measurements. The stainless steel construction and large LCD screen make readings crystal clear, while the rechargeable battery eliminates constant battery replacements. Machinists and precision woodworkers say the accuracy transforms their work quality, and the big display prevents costly measurement errors. Workshop and maker project trends are exploding right now. Upgrade to digital precision today and never second-guess measurements again. CLC Tech Gear 53 Pocket Lighted Backpack. Number 11 is the CLC Lighted Tool Backpack with 53 organizational pockets and built-in 3-stage LED lighting that illuminates your tools even in complete darkness. The dual compartment design separates hand tools from power tools, while padded shoulder straps make heavy loads comfortable during long workdays. Electricians and mobile repair techs call the integrated lighting a game changer for basement and attic jobs. Winter workshop season means more indoor work in dim spaces. This backpack solves problems you didn't know you had. VEVOR Mechanic Rolling Creeper Seat. Product 12 is the VEVOR Rolling Creeper Seat, supporting up to 250 pounds with 4 360-degree swivel wheels and a 3-compartment tool tray underneath. The heavy-duty steel frame glides smoothly across shop floors while keeping your tools organized and accessible. Auto mechanics and garage hobbyists say it eliminates knee and back pain from ground-level work and boosts productivity by 30%. Winter is peak indoor garage season for car maintenance and repairs. Invest in comfort now and thank yourself during every project. SWANLAKE 118-piece magnetic screwdriver set. Number 13 is the SWANLAKE 118-piece magnetic screwdriver set that eliminates the frustration of searching for the right bit. High-torque PP and TPR handles provide excellent grip, while the magnetic stainless steel tray holds screws securely during work. The set includes magnetization and demagnetization features for ultimate versatility. Electronics repair techs and hobbyists call this the last screwdriver set they'll ever need to buy. Complete tool sets are trending as ultimate gifts. Get comprehensive coverage in one purchase right now. WEYLAND Bushcraft Settler's Hand Auger. Product 14 is the WEYLAND Bushcraft Hand Auger with a 1-inch Scotch-eye drill bit and crank-style steel handle that bores holes without electricity or batteries. The included leather sheath makes it perfect for camping, shelter building, and emergency repairs in remote locations. Outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists call it an essential backup tool that works anywhere, anytime. Summer camping season is approaching, and this tool provides power-free drilling capability. Add primitive reliability to your emergency kit today before your next adventure. ARKNOAH Heavy-Duty Workbench. Vise. Number 15 is the ARKNOAH Multi-Purpose Workbench Vise with 2.44-inch jaw width, 360-degree rotating base, and massive 300-pound clamping capacity. The heavy-duty steel construction and stainless components deliver professional-grade holding power for cutting, sanding, and drilling operations. Woodworkers and metalworkers say the rotating base eliminates constant workpiece repositioning, cutting project time significantly. Workshop renovation trends are heating up this season. Upgrade to professional clamping power now and experience the difference in every project you tackle. Joywayus Cabinet Hardware Drill Jig. Product 16 is the Joywayus Cabinet Hardware Jig made from durable aluminum and ABS with adjustable bit positions for perfect handle alignment every time. This compact template eliminates measuring mistakes and ensures consistent drilling across dozens of cabinets or drawers. Furniture installers and kitchen renovators say it reduces installation time by 60% while preventing costly drilling errors. Home improvement and furniture assembly trends are surging. Grab this precision tool now and achieve professional cabinet results on your very first try. DEGLASERS 2-in-1 Digital Angle Finder. Number 17 is the product everyone's talking about. The DEGLASERS Digital Angle Finder measures 0 to 360 degrees with stainless steel construction that'll last decades, not months like plastic versions. The large LCD screen and angle lock function make precise measurements effortless for woodworkers and metalworkers. Precision craftspeople call it 3 tools in one: protractor, ruler, and angle transfer device combined. This is why it's going viral with thousands of 5-star reviews. At this price point, it's an absolute steal that belongs in every workshop. 3H Adjustable Metal Support Leg. Product 18 is the 3AH. Telescoping support leg adjustable from 15.7 to 27.5 inches with a 165-pound capacity and 360-degree rotating base. The 45-degree tilt capability and push lock height adjustment make solo cabinet installation possible without extra hands. Installers and DIY renovators say it's like having an extra worker on every job, eliminating the need to call friends for help. Winter home renovation season means indoor projects are ramping up. Buy this support now and tackle installations independently with complete confidence. Extra Large Dovetail Marker. Number 19 is the Extra Large Dovetail Marker with aluminum construction and 4 angle ratios: 1.5, 1.6, 1.8, and 1.10 for perfect joinery layouts. Measurement scales on both sides provide additional marking versatility, while the oversized design works on wide boards where small markers fail. Traditional woodworkers and furniture makers call it essential for creating strong, beautiful dovetail joints that'll last generations. Artisan furniture trends are exploding in popularity. Invest in quality marking tools now and elevate your woodworking to professional standards. KLMNDUO Adjustable Spokeshave Set. Product 20 is the KLMNDUO Spokeshave Set with 2 sizes, 9-inch and 10-inch, plus 4 SK2 steel blades rated 58 to 60 HRC hardness. Ergonomic handles and dual screw depth adjustment deliver precise control for shaping curved and flat surfaces. Wood sculptors and traditional craftsmen say the sharp blades and smooth action make hand planing enjoyable instead of exhausting. Woodworking hobby trends are experiencing massive growth right now. Add traditional hand tool excellence to your workshop today and rediscover the satisfaction of manual craftsmanship. Kreg Self-Centering Dowel Jig Kit. Number 21 is the Kreg Self-Centering Dowel Jig with removable drill guides and hardened steel bushings for 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch holes. The automatic centering eliminates measurement errors, while the Kreg brand reputation ensures this tool will perform flawlessly for years. Cabinet makers and furniture builders say it creates rock-solid joints faster than any manual method. Home improvement trends show dowel joinery making a huge comeback. Grab this trusted brand kit now and join thousands achieving professional furniture assembly results at home. Silly Non-Stick Silicone Glue Brushes. Product 22 is the Silly Silicone Glue Brush set with 1-inch and 1/2 inch sizes that clean instantly underwater, eliminating disposable brush waste forever. The non-stick design prevents glue buildup, while the integrated desktop stand keeps your workspace organized. Craft enthusiasts and woodworkers say these brushes pay for themselves after just 3 projects by eliminating constant brush replacement costs. Creative workshop season is here and sustainability matters. Switch to reusable silicone brushes today and save money while reducing waste with every project. Digital tape measures 16F. Number 23 is the 16-foot digital tape measure with 6 measurement units, 20 measurement memory, and a large LCD screen for instant conversions. Engineers, architects, and contractors love how it eliminates calculation errors and speeds up layout work dramatically. The memory function means you won't lose critical measurements halfway through complex projects. Home renovation season shows smart tools dominating the market. Upgrade to digital precision measurement now and experience how technology eliminates the frustrating parts of every measuring task you face. MTILE HIG Cordless, Brushless Hand Planer. Product 24 is the MTILE HIG 12V cordless planer with a brushless 15,000 RPM motor and 3.25-inch cutting width. 0 to 2 mm depth adjustment provides precision control, while dual safety switches prevent accidents. The portable battery technology means freedom from extension cords during outdoor projects. Woodworkers and furniture makers say the cordless convenience and smooth cutting action rival corded models costing twice as much. Spring workshop season is starting now. Invest in cordless freedom today and transform how you approach every planing job. Portable Beach. Wood Workbench Vise. Number 25 is the portable Beechwood Workbench Vise with 4 metal bench dogs and G-clips for secure clamping during carving, sawing, and sanding. The solid beech construction provides stable support for small workpieces without requiring a full workshop setup. Hobby woodworkers and educational workshops call it perfect for apartment dwellers and limited space crafters. Small workshop renovation trends show compact solutions gaining massive popularity. Get tabletop clamping capability now and start your woodworking journey without investing in expensive full-size benches. LaserPecker LP2 Portable Laser Engraver. Product 26 is the LaserPecker LP2 with upgraded Galvo technology engraving at 14-17 inches per minute with 0.05 mm focal precision. The electric 360-degree roller enables cylindrical engraving, while the 196-inch working length handles massive projects. Jewelry makers and custom gift creators say it delivers professional results on wood, leather, and coated metals that command premium prices. Craft and print art trends are exploding right now. Invest in creative technology today and turn your artistic vision into profitable reality with laser precision. VEVOR 13-inch thickness planer. Number 27 is the VEVOR 13-inch thickness planer with an 1800-watt motor spinning at 23,500 RPM and dual HRC 5560 hardness blades. The 6-inch thickness capacity and 13-inch width handle serious lumber processing with professional surface finish quality. Production woodworkers say it transforms rough lumber into furniture-ready boards in minutes, paying for itself after processing just a few hundred board feet. Professional workshop upgrade season is here. Invest in serious planing power now and unlock unlimited custom lumber possibilities for every future project. BPOPO Self-Centering Dowel Jig Set. Product 28 is the BPOPO Self-Centering Dowel Jig with aircraft-grade anodized aluminum body adjustable from 0.4 to 2 inches. 3 hardened steel bushings in 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 sizes come with matching drill bits. Furniture assemblers and joinery enthusiasts say the automatic centering and premium materials deliver perfect alignment every single time without fail. Woodworking hobby trends show joinery skills in high demand. Master professional dowel joints now with this precision tool and create furniture connections that'll outlast anything store-bought. Black Zero Smart Display Cordless Drill. Number 29 is the Black Zero 16.8V brushless drill with an intelligent LED screen displaying real-time RPM and torque data. 5 working modes including drill, hammer, and driving functions handle every fastening task. Technology enthusiasts and contractors say the smart display eliminates guesswork and prevents material damage from incorrect settings. Cordless tool technology trends show smart features becoming essential. Upgrade to intelligent drilling today and experience how digital feedback transforms your control and confidence on every single project you tackle. Bora Automatic Pocket Hole. Jig Kit. Product 30 is the Bora Automatic Pocket Hole Jig that self-adjusts to material thickness without manual measurement, plus 50 color-coded corrosion-resistant screws. The benchtop design and quick drill guide create perfect hidden joints in seconds without complicated setup. Cabinet installers and furniture DIYers call it the fastest pocket hole system they've ever used, cutting assembly time in half. Interior renovation trends show pocket hole joinery dominating modern builds. Invest in automatic precision now and revolutionize your furniture assembly speed while maintaining professional strength and appearance. There you have it, 30 game-changing tools that are reshaping workshops everywhere. Remember, number 17 is still my top pick for pure versatility. If this video saved you time and money, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest tool reviews. Drop a comment telling me which tool you're buying first. I read every single one. Let's build something amazing together. See you in the next video.
Shelf Pin Jig and Hinge Jig 2-in-1. First up is the Shelf Pin and Hinge Jig, a 2-in-1 aluminum drilling template that solves the biggest cabinet assembly headache. This tool features 7 precision holes for perfect shelf pin spacing and includes both 1/4 inch and 5mm drill bits. No more measuring mistakes or uneven shelves, whether you're building custom cabinets or upgrading existing ones. This jig delivers professional results in seconds. Over 10,000 woodworkers rely on this for flawless installations. Limited stock available, so grab yours now. Microjig Fit Finder Center Point Finder. Tool number 2 is the Microjig Fit Finder, and this genius device finds the exact center of any board up to 3 inches thick. Without any math, just place it on your workpiece, lock it down, and you've got perfect center alignment for table saws, routers, and lathes. This eliminates measurement errors that waste expensive materials. Professionals love how it speeds up complex joinery work, while beginners appreciate the foolproof accuracy. No more calculations, no more mistakes, just perfect cuts every single time. This is a workshop essential. ArmorTool Auto Jig Pocket Hole System. Number 3 is the ArmorTool Auto Jig, the ultimate pocket hole system that automatically adjusts to your wood thickness. This premium kit includes self-aligning drill guides, integrated clamping, and color-coded screws that prevent wood splitting. What used to take 5 minutes of setup now happens instantly. Over 15,000 craftsmen have upgraded to this system because it delivers perfect angled holes every time. Without manual adjustments, the complete starter pack includes everything you need. Professional results are now within reach for everyone. OS School Edge Banding Iron with digital display. Tool number 4 is the OS KOOL Edge Banding Iron with precise digital temperature control from 100 to 200 degrees Celsius. This tool applies perfect edge banding to furniture projects with its ergonomic handle and specialized curved tips. The LCD display ensures optimal heat for bubble-free application every time. Furniture makers report this cuts banding time in half while delivering showroom-quality edges. It includes a metal stand and heat-resistant case for safety. Transform rough plywood edges into professional finished pieces instantly. Multitool Joint Master Doweling Jig. Number 5 is the Multitool Joint Master, a self-clamping aluminum doweling jig that creates rock-solid wood joints without complicated setups. It includes 3 hardened steel drill bushings for 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch dowels. The retractable edge stops provide automatic alignment, while dual-mode clamping blocks work horizontally or vertically. Thousands of woodworkers praise how it eliminates the need for separate clamps. Perfect joints strengthen your furniture and boost your confidence. Get professional joinery results today. Dust Deputy Anti-Static Cyclone Separator. Tool number 6 is the legendary Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator that captures 99% of dust before it reaches your vacuum filter. This static dissipative model prevents dangerous electrical buildup while extending your shop vac's motor life by years. Users report 20% more suction power and virtually no filter cleaning. Made in the USA with precision engineering, it handles everything from fine sawdust to large wood chips. Breathing clean air in your workshop isn't optional anymore. This is the health investment every woodworker needs immediately. Woodpecker's Paulini Pocket Rule. Number 7 is the Woodpecker's Paulini Pocket Rule, a 6-inch aluminum ruler with a sliding stop that locks measurements instantly. The laser engraved scales in both inches and millimeters never wear off, while the integrated marking claw lets you scribe lines directly. This portable precision tool eliminates trips back to your workbench for measurements. Fine woodworkers love its compact size and bulletproof accuracy for layout work. It fits in your pocket, but performs like a professional measuring system. Upgrade your measurement game with this essential tool right now. Centec Quick Click Dust Collection Separator. Tool number 8 is the Centec Quick Click Dust Separator with an 8-foot hose and universal compatibility. The 8-inch body provides high-capacity dust collection, while the Quick Click connection fits any 2.5-inch shop vac hose instantly. The rubber gasket seal prevents air leaks for maximum suction efficiency. Budget-conscious woodworkers appreciate the professional performance at a fraction of premium separator costs. Stop replacing clogged filters every week and start working in a cleaner, healthier workshop. This affordable upgrade pays for itself fast. Olympia 48-inch Acacia Hardwood Workbench. Number 9 is the Olympia 48-inch Acacia Hardwood Workbench. With a massive 330-pound weight capacity, this solid workbench features a beautiful hardwood top, spacious drawer storage, and a lower shelf for organizing tools and materials. The professional-grade construction assembles quickly and provides a rock-solid foundation for any project. Hobbyists and pros alike praise its stability during heavy planing and assembly work. Every serious workshop needs a reliable workbench. Transform your workspace into a professional shop today with this incredible value. Bushcraft Bench Lock Bench Clamp Base. Tool number 10 is the Bushcraft Bench Lock, a 360-degree rotating clamp base that inserts into any bench dog hole. The built-in V-channel holds corner joints perfectly, while the tool-free installation means you can reposition it anywhere instantly. This clever design gives you clamping power at any angle without permanent fixtures or expensive track systems. Thousands of woodworkers call this their favorite workshop hack for holding awkward pieces. Maximize your workbench flexibility and eliminate clamping frustration. Add this game-changing adapter to your bench immediately. WORKPRO 32-piece reciprocating saw blade set. Number 11 is the WORKPRO 32-piece reciprocating saw blade set with a premium organizer pouch. This comprehensive kit includes 6 and 9-inch wood cutting blades plus 4 and 6-inch metal cutting blades with various DPI ratings for any material. Contractors love having the right blade ready for demolition, renovation, or precision cutting work. The durable carrying case keeps everything organized and protected. Stop buying individual blades at inflated prices. This complete set handles every cutting challenge and saves you serious money on future blade purchases. Infinity Tools Easy Angle Miter Jig. Tool number 12 is the Infinity Tools Easy Angle Miter Jig, and this precision cutting guide unlocks 11 to 112 degrees of cutting freedom. The rugged aluminum construction holds any angle perfectly, while the dual-arm design accommodates complex polygon cuts effortlessly. Finished carpenters and furniture makers praise how it multiplies their miter saw's capabilities for crown molding, picture frames, and architectural details. Your saw's limitations just disappeared. Create professional angled cuts that were previously impossible. Invest in this premium jig for unlimited creative freedom now. Microjig Match Fit Dovetail Clamp Pro System. Number 13 is the Microjig Match Fit Dovetail System that lets you create custom dovetail tracks in any material. This revolutionary kit includes the 14-degree dovetail router bit and adjustable dado stop for perfect depth control. Cabinet makers are abandoning expensive metal track systems because this creates unlimited clamping points anywhere you need them. The aluminum construction ensures decades of precision performance. Design custom workstations, jigs, and fixtures with total freedom. This is the workshop innovation that changes everything. Get the complete system and unlock infinite possibilities today. Auger Cabinet Hardware Jig. Tool number 14 is the Auger Adjustable Cabinet Hardware Jig that handles 2.5 to 5-inch spacing with perfect precision. The aluminum construction includes alignment holes and integrated drill guides for flawless knob and handle installation. No more measuring, no more mistakes. Just consistent professional results on every cabinet door and drawer. Thousands of kitchen renovators rely on this for fast, accurate installations. The durable metal build outlasts cheap plastic templates by years. Stop struggling with manual measurements. Speed through hardware installation with confidence using this essential jig. Dahoo Cabinet Hardware Jig Tool. Number 15 is the Dahoo Cabinet Hardware Jig with quick adjust punch locator technology and modular design. This stainless steel and aluminum tool features rapid lock mechanisms for repeatable hole placement across multiple cabinets without recalibration. The portable design includes a storage case for job site convenience. Die renovators and professional installers both praise its reliability for non-standard cabinet configurations. The robust metal construction ensures this tool lasts through countless installations. Get perfect hardware alignment every single time. Grab this affordable solution and eliminate mounting frustrations forever. KOOL Dowel Maker and Tenon Cutters. Finally, tool number 16 is the KOOL Dowel Maker with 8 and 10 mm cutter heads for creating custom dowels and tenons from scrap wood. The hardened carbon steel blades sharpen easily and cut half-inch square stock into perfect round dowels instantly. Furniture makers love producing unlimited custom dowels instead of buying overpriced pre-made ones. The durable plastic base provides safe, stable operation. Turn leftover wood into valuable joinery components. This budget-friendly tool pays for itself after just a few projects. Start making your own perfect fitting dowels today. Festool for $191,590 for quick clamp FSHZ 160, starting with a premium powerhouse. The Festool Quick Clamp FSHZ 160 is what separates amateur cuts from professional results. This rapid lock system keeps your guide rails perfectly stable during cuts, eliminating that frustrating material shift that ruins expensive boards. The metal construction handles serious abuse, and the quick release mechanism secures materials in seconds. Over 12,000 pros trust this for precision work, and it pays for itself the first time you avoid wasting a premium board. Limited stock on these right now. Kreg KFS Buck Multi-Purpose Project Blocks. These Kreg Project pucks are deceptively simple but absolutely genius. They elevate your workpiece off surfaces, making painting and finishing effortless. No more wet projects sticking to your bench. The non-slip base keeps everything stable, and they stack for compact storage. What's incredible is the versatility: assembly work, drying finishes, even sanding projects. Thousands of woodworkers call these their most used shop accessory. At this price, you're getting professional workflow improvement for less than lunch. And they'll last forever. Kreg R3 Pocket Hole System. The Kreg R3 turns complete beginners into furniture builders overnight. This pocket hole jig creates perfectly angled screw holes that form joints stronger than traditional methods without complex skills. Adjustable drilling positions and durable steel guides make every connection rock solid. The complete kit includes everything you need to start building immediately. Over 50,000 dyers built their first professional-looking furniture with this exact system. If you've been intimidated by joinery, this is your confidence breakthrough tool. Stock moves fast on these. Tino 800OW Handheld Router Plus 15-piece bit set. Here's where budget meets miracle. The Tino 800W router with 15 bits delivers results that shock even experienced woodworkers. The 800-watt motor handles edge trimming, profiling, and carving-like tools triple the price. What makes this unbeatable is the complete bit collection included: round over, chamfer, straight cuts, you name it. Ergonomic base and dust protection keep work clean and controlled. Verified buyers report professional quality results on their first use. If you're waiting to afford expensive routers, stop. This gets you creating today. Incredible value that won't last. Bucketeer 20-piece flap wheel set. Rust, old paint, and rough surfaces meet their match with this Bucketeer flap wheel set. 20 different diameters mean you're prepared for any sanding challenge. Tight spaces, broad surfaces, everything between. The aluminum oxide abrasive cuts fast, while the 1/4-inch shafts fit any standard drill. What's remarkable is how quickly these transform neglected pieces into smooth, paint-ready surfaces. Metal restoration, wood refinishing, even automotive work. One affordable set handles it all. Users report these outlast cheaper alternatives by months. For surface prep versatility, nothing beats this value. Multitool 3000 for $100 for push stick safety tool. This Multitool push stick literally saves fingers. And I'm not exaggerating. The offset push mechanism keeps your hand safely away from saw blades, while the non-slip base maintains total control over workpieces. Bright yellow safety color ensures you never misplace it when you need it most. Thousands of woodworkers credit this exact tool with preventing serious injuries during critical cuts. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during repetitive work. At this price, there's zero excuse not to protect yourself. Workshop accidents happen in split seconds. This small investment prevents life-changing injuries. Universal 0 to 12 steel caliper. Precision measuring separates failed projects from masterpieces. And this steel caliper delivers accuracy you can trust. The 0-2 12-inch range handles most workshop measurements, while the hardened steel construction withstands daily abuse. Clear markings ensure you're reading dimensions correctly every single time, eliminating costly cutting mistakes. Modelers, woodworkers, and mechanics depend on calipers for tolerances that tape measures simply cannot achieve. Verified users report this, matching expensive digital models for accuracy. Every measurement error costs time and materials. Invest in precision now and stop redoing work. Multitool 1330 to joint mate self-centering dowel jig. Perfect alignment just became effortless with the joint mate self-centering mechanism. This dowel jig automatically finds center on any workpiece, eliminating math and measurement errors that create weak joints. Multiple bushing sizes accommodate different dowel diameters, while the quick clamp system secures to materials instantly. What's game-changing is the repeatability. Every hole perfectly aligned with its mate every single time. Furniture makers report cutting assembly time by half while improving joint strength. Wobbly connections and alignment headaches end here. Limited availability on these precision tools right now. Going Make Dowel Jig Set with quick positive stop. This complete Going Make set handles 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch dowels with surgical precision. The quick stop mechanism ensures consistent hole depth across dozens of drilling operations, critical for furniture that actually stays together. Adjustable edge limiters work on various material thicknesses, while the rapid clamp system saves massive time on repetitive drilling. Production woodworkers love how this accelerates batch work without sacrificing accuracy. Over 8,000 verified purchases confirm this eliminates rework from misaligned holes. One comprehensive set, endless perfectly aligned joints. These sell out regularly. Multitool 8000 for 108 center fender tool. Finding exact center used to require calculations and multiple measurements the center fender does it instantly. The fine-tuned offset markings work on round, square, or irregular shapes, while the magnetic backing holds it steady during marking. Built-in pencil holder means you're marking the moment you find center. What makes this invaluable is consistency. Perfect center marks every single time, eliminating symmetry errors that ruin aesthetic projects. Thousands of craftsmen use this daily for everything from lathe work to decorative inlays. Small investment, massive accuracy improvement. Grab this before the next price increase hits. Bora PM1050 portable machine mobile base. Heavy workshop machines just became effortlessly mobile with the Bora PM1050. This adjustable platform handles table saws, planers, jointers, basically any stationary tool, eating up precious floor space. Locking casters keep machines rock solid during operation, then release for instant repositioning. High-capacity steel construction supports serious weight, while the adjustable frame fits various machine footprints. Small shop owners report doubling their effective workspace by mobilizing equipment. The transformation from cramped chaos to organized efficiency happens immediately. Your back will thank you. Your workflow will accelerate. These are flying off shelves. Alien Self-Centering Dowel Guide. The Alien Self-Centering Guide eliminates alignment guesswork completely. Its automatic centering mechanism works across wide material ranges, while the built-in measuring scale ensures consistent positioning from piece to piece. The wide clamping span accommodates large furniture components that other jigs simply cannot handle. What's revolutionary is how this prevents material waste. From drilling errors, every hole perfectly centered, every connection rock solid. Premium furniture makers trust this for high-end projects where precision is non-negotiable. One tool, professional results forever. Stock levels dropping fast on these precision instruments right now. EZRK 15-piece drill bit and countersink set. This EZRK set solves the eternal problem of visible screw heads ruining beautiful projects. The HSS drill bits create perfect pilot holes, while included countersinks ensure screws sit flush or below the surface for wood plug concealment. Adjustable depth stops guarantee consistent results across hundreds of fasteners, critical for professional-looking furniture. The complete collection handles various screw sizes without buying multiple sets. Craftsmen report this transforming amateur assemblies into showroom-quality pieces. Clean, hidden fastener separate hobbyist work from expert craftsmanship. Everything you need in one comprehensive package. Limited time pricing active. Multi-angle drill guide. Angle drilling just became foolproof with this multi-angle guide system. Preset 30, 45, and 90-degree guides eliminate protractor calculations and eyeballing that create crooked holes. Included drill bits match the bushing sizes perfectly, and the compact design travels easily between job sites. Staircase builders, railing installers, and furniture makers rely on this for consistent angular accuracy. What's remarkable is the time savings. No more test drilling or wasted materials from incorrect angles. One tool handles every common drilling angle with absolute precision. These are selling out fast across major retailers currently. EZRK countersink drill bit set. Flush screw installation becomes automatic with this EZRK countersink collection. Adjustable depth control ensures every fastener sits perfectly level with the surface, creating that seamless professional finish clients expect. Multiple bit sizes accommodate everything from delicate trim work to structural joints, while the quick change design maintains workflow speed. Over 10,000 woodworkers rate this as their go-to for visible fastener work. The difference between amateur and expert assembly often comes down to fastener presentation. This guarantees perfection every time. Complete set, lifetime of flawless results. Current stock moving incredibly fast. Manova 10 inches folding insulation saw. Insulation cutting just became clean and effortless with this Manova folding saw. The wave tooth blade slices through foam board, and fiberglass without the mess traditional tools create. While the folding safety design protects the blade and your gear during transport, ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue during full-day installations. Energy efficiency contractors and DIY renovators praise how this accelerates what's typically a frustrating, messy task. The compact storage means it's always accessible when insulation work appears. Winter energy bills are driving renovation demand, get this, before the seasonal rush creates shortages. Incredible value for specialized work. 18-gauge brad nailer, stapler. This 2-in-1 cordless nail gun works with dual 20-volt batteries and eliminates the hassle of manual hammering. The brushless motor delivers professional power, while the dual trigger safety system prevents accidents. Perfect for furniture building, trim work, and quick home repairs. It comes with 1,000 nails and 1,000 staples ready to go. Thousands of dyers rely on this daily because it cuts project time in half and delivers contractor quality results without the premium price tag. Proster Digital Angle Finder. Accurate angle measurements make or break woodworking projects. And this digital protractor eliminates guesswork completely. The backlit LCD screen works in any lighting, while the magnetic base locks onto metal surfaces instantly. It measures 0 to 225 degrees with 0.5 degree precision, saving you from costly cutting mistakes. Professional carpenters trust this for crown molding, furniture building, and precise miter cuts. Stop wasting materials on wrong angles and start getting perfect cuts every single time. Bora Quick Cut Circular Saw Guide. Cutting perfect angles with a circular saw used to require complex calculations and multiple measurements. This aluminum guide eliminates all guesswork with for pre-marked angles at 20 to 0.5, 45, 60, and 90 degrees plus dual metric and inch scales. The 14-inch rail system ensures laser straight cuts every time, while the lightweight construction moves effortlessly across materials. Professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts rely on this because it replaces for separate guides, while delivering flawless accuracy that prevents costly material waste from bad cuts. Makita 18 volts cut-off tool. This brushless cordless cut-off tool spins at 20,000 RPM and slices through metal, rebar, and steel like butter. The ergonomic design allows one-handed operation while the forward and reverse modes adapt to any cutting angle. Professional contractors choose Makita because the brushless motor delivers twice the runtime of standard tools. Whether you're cutting exhaust pipes, metal studs, or reinforcement bars, this tool eliminates the limitations of corded equipment and powers through the toughest materials effortlessly. Britain Rafter Square with Level. This 7-inch aluminum square combines multiple tools into one compact design. The patented pivot arm locks at any angle while built-in level vials ensure perfect horizontal and vertical alignment. Roofers and framers depend on this for cutting rafters, checking angles, and marking layout lines without switching between 3 different tools. The high contrast black and green markings stay visible in bright sunlight. Stop carrying a heavy tool belt and streamline your workflow with this all-in-one solution that saves time on every measurement. Metal concealed hinge jig. Installing cabinet hinges perfectly aligned seems impossible until you use this metal drilling jig. The quick clamp system secures to any door edge in seconds, while the dual bearing guides ensure zero wobble during drilling. It includes a 35mm bit and works for all standard European hinges. Thousands of cabinet installers switch from plastic jigs because this aluminum construction delivers professional accuracy every time. Stop drilling crooked holes that ruin expensive cabinet doors and start getting flawless hinge placement on the first attempt. Wagner Detail Finish Nozzle Kit. Brush strokes ruin otherwise perfect paint jobs, but this fine finish nozzle creates flawless spray patterns on furniture and cabinets. The adjustable flow control lets you customize coverage, while the precision tip eliminates overspray completely. It's compatible with Wagner HVLP sprayers and transforms them into professional finishing tools. Furniture refinishers love this because it delivers showroom quality results that would cost thousands at a body shop. Stop settling for visible brush marks and start achieving that glass smooth factory finish professionals charge premium prices for. Miter clamps for woodworking. Perfect 45-degree corners separate amateur projects from professional work, and these clamps make them effortless. The one-handed chem lock generates massive clamping pressure, while 8 hardened steel teeth bite into wood without slipping. Frame makers and trim carpenters rely on these for windows, doors, picture frames, and cabinet trim. The solid metal construction outlasts plastic alternatives by years. Stop fighting with misaligned corners that gap open after gluing and start creating seamless joints that look machine-made every single time. SESII Cordless Reciprocating Saw. This brushless cordless saw cuts through wood, metal, and plastic at 3,500 strokes per minute without any power cords limiting your movement. 240Ah batteries ensure all-day runtime, while the LED work light illuminates dark spaces perfectly. The tool-free blade change system swaps blades in 3 seconds flat. Demolition crews and remodelers choose this because it combines premium power with budget-friendly pricing. Stop wrestling with extension cords during demolition work and start cutting anywhere with unlimited mobility and consistent cutting performance. Scheinbach Abrasive Wire Brush. Stripping old finishes and smoothing wood surfaces becomes effortless with this 120 grit nylon abrasive wheel. The 120 by 100 mm rotary brush removes paint and creates textured surfaces without the aggressive damage of metal wire brushes. Furniture restoration experts prefer this because it cleans wood grain beautifully while preserving the natural texture underneath. It mounts on any standard drill or grinder. Stop spending hours hand sanding old furniture and start achieving professional refinishing results in a fraction of the time with minimal effort. Kreg Foreman Pocket Hole Machine. Manual pocket hole jigs waste time and strain your arms, but this electric machine drills perfect holes automatically at 2,800 RPM. The 110 volts motor delivers consistent depth, while the fixed settings eliminate measurement errors completely. Professional cabinet makers use this because it doubles productivity while maintaining flawless accuracy. The compact design fits any workshop without taking up valuable bench space. Stop drilling pocket holes by hand like it's 1990 and start producing furniture-grade joinery that rivals $1,000 equipment at a fraction of the cost. Sigiro 4-in-1 Router Bracket. This aluminum alloy router guide handles circle cutting, groove milling, edge trimming, and pattern work with one adjustable tool. The 4-in-1 design replaces multiple expensive jigs, while the adjustable arms accommodate any router size. Woodworkers love this because it creates perfect circles and curves that look CNC machined. Stop buying separate jigs for every routing operation and start tackling complex cuts with professional precision. This single bracket delivers the versatility of an entire jig collection while taking up minimal storage space in your workshop. The 7-in-1 Moisture Meter. Hidden moisture destroys home slowly, but this dual-mode scanner detects problems before costly damage appears. It switches between pin and non-invasive scanning, while 7 material settings work for wood, drywall, concrete, and brick. Home inspectors depend on this because it reveals moisture issues invisible to the naked eye. The digital display shows exact readings instantly. Stop guessing about potential water damage and start identifying problem areas early when repairs cost hundreds instead of thousands. This tool literally pays for itself by preventing one major moisture disaster. DEGLASERS for by 360 green laser level. This self-leveling laser projects for 360-degree green lines that cover entire rooms for perfect alignment on walls, floors, and ceilings. The 40-hour battery life powers through multi-day projects, while the remote control adjusts settings from across the room. Contractors prefer green lasers because they're 4 times more visible than red in bright conditions. The automatic leveling engages in seconds. Stop checking bubble levels every few feet and start laying out entire rooms with laser accuracy. That guarantees professional results on tile, drywall, and electrical installations. VEVOR Craft S15 Wood Carving Set. This 5-piece carving set includes everything beginners need to start with sculpting safely and effectively. Each tool features ergonomic wooden handles and comes with protective blade covers for safe storage. The variety of blade shapes tackles different carving techniques from rough shaping to fine detail work. Over 10,000 hobbyists chose this as their first carving set because the quality matches professional tools at beginner-friendly prices. Stop dreaming about wood carving and start creating custom gifts, decorations, and art pieces that showcase your growing skills and creativity. Going Make Shelf Pin Drilling Jig. Drilling evenly spaced shelf pin holes transforms from tedious guesswork into quick precision work. With this metal template, the 7 hardened guide holes and adjustable positioning pin ensure perfect alignment every time. Cabinet makers switch from plastic templates because this aluminum construction never warps or wears out. It handles 1/4-inch pins for all standard shelf systems. Stop measuring and marking individual holes that end up crooked, and start drilling 7 perfectly aligned holes simultaneously. This jig turns amateur shelf installations into professional-grade cabinetry that customers actually pay premium prices for. 14-piece carpenter pencils. These 7-inch carpenter pencils feature thick HB graphite that marks clearly on rough lumber and won't break under pressure. The flat wooden body prevents rolling, while the included sharpener and metal clip holster keep everything organized. The 14-piece pack ensures you'll never run out during critical measurements. Construction crews prefer these over regular pencils because they mark visible lines on any surface and last significantly longer. Stop losing round pencils that roll off every surface and start marking accurately with professional-grade tools that stay exactly where you place them on the job site. ToolCool Router Plane. First up, the ToolCool handheld router plane with wood grip absolutely crushes traditional joinery work. This 6061 aluminum beast features adjustable depth indicators and razor-sharp HSS steel blades that deliver glass-smooth cuts every single time. Over 8,000 professional woodworkers are using this for more tees and tenon joints because it eliminates costly mistakes. At this budget-friendly price point, it's a no-brainer investment. Woodpecker's Auxiliary Rip Fence. The Woodpecker's 36-inch table saw fence extension solves the wobbling panel nightmare permanently. This aerospace-grade aluminum fence with integrated T-track channels and 7-inch clamping support gives you absolute control over large sheet cuts. Contractors are calling it the most stable auxiliary fence system ever designed. Limited inventory alert: major retailers can't keep this in stock due to overwhelming demand from professionals. Sunelfrod Stair Gauge Template. Stop wasting expensive lumber on staircase miscalculations. The Sunelfrod adjustable stair gauge template spans 11.5 to 60 inches with dual lock mechanisms that guarantee millimeter precision on every measurement. Builders are finishing stair installations 40% faster because this eliminates the trial and error phase completely. The heavy-duty aluminum construction means this template will outlast your career, making it essential for any serious contractor. Rockwell Jaw Horse. The Rockwell Jaw Horse delivers 1 ton of clamping force with a simple foot pedal, no hands required. This engineering masterpiece holds full 4x8 sheet solo while you cut, sand, or drill with complete freedom. Over 15,000 contractors have ditched their traditional workbenches because this portable station combines vise and saw horse functionality in one indestructible steel frame. It's genuinely transforming how professionals handle large materials on job sites. Triton TPL 180 Power Planer. The Triton TPL 180 7-inch planer packs 1500 watts and triple blade technology that surfaces hardwoods like butter. This magnesium-bodied powerhouse features 10 precision depth settings and processes material 3 times faster than standard 2-blade planers. Furniture makers are achieving showroom quality finishes straight off the tool, eliminating hours of sanding labor. Current stock levels are dropping fast as word spreads about this professional-grade performance. At mid-range pricing, L'Armil Combination Square. The L'Armil 7-inch Combination Square provides 0 to 90-degree adjustability in a lightweight aluminum body that never leaves your tool belt. This multifunction marvel handles layout marking, 45-degree miter checks, and depth measurements with absolute accuracy. Over 12,000 carpenters trust this for critical angle work because the hardened steel ruler maintains calibration under heavy job site abuse. At this price point, buying 2 as backup makes complete financial sense for any professional. PowerTech Flip Stop. The PowerTech Flip Stop eliminates measurement errors permanently with its 1 to 3.5-inch adjustable mechanism and 0-side play construction. This CNC machined aluminum stop locks into T-track channels and delivers identical cut lengths across hundreds of pieces without remeasuring. Production woodworkers report 60% time savings on repetitive cutting tasks. The patent-pending design outlasts plastic competitors by years, making this small investment deliver massive long-term value for your workshop efficiency. Empty Olhig Cordless Router. The Empty Olhig 20-volt brushless router delivers 800 watts of untethered power with variable speed from 8,500 to 30,000 RPM. This dual-compatible beast features 6-stage power control and runs significantly longer than corded competitors. Thanks to advanced brushless technology, hobbyists and pros alike are going cable-free because this provides genuine workshop quality performance anywhere on the job site. Stock availability fluctuates wildly. Grab it while current pricing holds before the next batch arrives at higher cost. Great Neck Precision Clamp Set. The Great Neck 12-inch precision clamp 2-pack delivers 300 pounds of clamping force, with one-handed operation and rubber-padded jaws that protect delicate surfaces. These professional-grade clamps feature quick release, triggers, and maintain pressure through glue-up cycles without slipping. Cabinet makers are replacing their entire clamp collections because these outperform traditional bar clamps at half the weight. The current 2-pack pricing represents exceptional value that serious woodworkers recognize immediately as workshop essential equipment. AOA Cordless Drill Set. The AOA 20-volt brushless drill set includes the 1.5 AMP-hour batteries, carrying case, and 350 inch-pounds of torque in a compact package. This brushless powerhouse features 25+1 clutch settings and a 3/8-inch keyless chuck that tackles everything from pilot holes to lag bolts. Die enthusiasts are choosing this over big-name brands because the dual battery system and brushless efficiency deliver professional results without the premium price tag that doesn't match actual performance differences. VEVOR FC116U Lock Mortizer. The VEVOR FC116U Lock Mortizing machine brings 100 watts of CNC-level precision to door hardware installation. This portable powerhouse cuts perfect lock mortises from 0 to 5 inches deep, using a 1.5-inch carbide bit that processes hardwood doors in under 90 seconds. Professional installers report this machine pays for itself after just 20 doors, by eliminating callbacks and delivering flawless results every time. Current lead times are extending as commercial door companies are buying these in bulk quantities. Hidden Deck Fastener Kit. This 100-piece hidden deck fastener system eliminates visible screws and creates seamless outdoor surfaces that resist weather damage for decades. The one-button installation tool works with composite decking and lots boards with zero surface penetration. Deck builders are winning more contracts because clients see the premium aesthetic difference immediately. At current pricing, this system costs less per square foot than traditional fastening methods while delivering significantly higher perceived value that justifies premium project pricing to customers. Masca M2 Pro Pocket Hole Jig. The Masca M2 Pro all-aluminum jig drills 3 simultaneous pocket holes with repeatable precision that plastic competitors simply cannot match. This professional system includes stabilizing rods, blocks, and integrated dust collection that keeps your workspace clean during production runs. Furniture makers report joint strength improvements and 50% faster assembly times because the metal construction maintains perfect drill angles through thousands of holes. This is genuinely the last pocket hole jig you'll ever need to purchase for your workshop. Jet JW DS163 to drum sander. The Jet JW DS163 Do 16-inch drum sander combines 2,000 watts of power with SandSmart overload protection and variable speed feed that produces mirror finish surfaces on hardwoods. This industrial-grade machine features a cooled aluminum drum and automatic load monitoring that prevents burning while processing full-width panels. Restoration specialists and custom furniture shops consider this non-negotiable equipment because it delivers consistent results that hand sanding cannot match, saving hundreds of labor hours annually while elevating finished product quality dramatically. D2Olive's Oscillating Multi-Tool. The D2Olive's 18-volt brushless multi-tool delivers 0 to 21,000 oscillations per minute across 6 speed settings with Makita battery compatibility. This cordless Swiss Army knife handles cutting, sanding, and scraping tasks that previously required 3 separate tools. Renovation contractors keep this in their primary toolkit because the brushless motor provides extended runtime and the tool-free blade changes save critical minutes on time-sensitive projects. Current inventory is moving quickly as both professionals and serious dyers recognize. This represents exceptional versatility and value. Saker Cordless Tile Vibration Tool. Starting strong with the Saker Cordless Tile Vibration Tool. This powerhouse solves the nightmare of moving massive tile pieces solo. With dual 22-volt batteries and industrial-grade suction, it handles stone and ceramic like they're weightless. Over 10,000 contractors switched to this because it cuts labor costs in half. One person now does what used to require 2. Limited stock warnings are popping up as renovation season peaks. Hot McMini Hacksaw with Miter Box Set. Next up, the Hot McMini Hacksaw Set. Budget-friendly doesn't mean cheap here. This 6-inch precision cutter tackles metal, wood, and plastic with surgical accuracy. The aluminum miter box and bimetal blade combo delivers professional angles every time. Hobby enthusiasts are raving about it because complete sets like this normally cost triple. Perfect for detailed work where full-size tools can't reach. Stock moves fast during holiday project season. Iguto Kick Saw. The Iguto Kick Saw changes everything for cabinet installers. Cutting flush to walls used to be impossible without destroying surrounding materials. This specialized saw reaches where traditional tools fail. It includes 3 blade types wood and diamond for any subfloor challenge. Flooring professionals report saving 2 hours per job. That's real money back in your pocket. Prices jumped 15% last quarter as demand surged among renovation crews. CC Suction Cups for Glass. SESII's electric suction cup tool is a game changer for heavy lifting. 440 pounds of vacuum-powered grip means one person safely moves glass, granite, and tile that normally requires a full crew. The LED indicator warns before grip weakens, preventing costly accidents. Cabinet installers are calling this their best investment of the year. It transforms dangerous two-person jobs into confident solo operations. Current inventory is moving faster than restocks. Corner clamps for woodworking set of 4. These 90-degree corner clamps deliver perfect angles in seconds. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, they're light but indestructible. The secret is how they adjust to different material thicknesses while maintaining exact right angles. Furniture makers report cutting assembly time by 40%. No more gaps, no more crooked corners, no more frustration. At this price point, having a set is a no-brainer. They're consistently sold out during furniture building season. Kreg Mortise Mate Loose Tenon Jig. The Kreg Mortise Mate takes joint strength to the next level. Traditional connections fail over time, but loose tenon joints are practically indestructible. This jig features laser-guided placement and automatic indexing for repeatable precision. Small furniture shops are producing professional-grade pieces that rival factory quality. The difference shows up years later when competitors' furniture falls apart and yours stays solid. Professional woodworkers protect this advantage jealously. 8-in-1 handsaw, drywall cutter. Toolin's 8-in-1 handsaw replaces an entire toolbox. One compact tool cuts drywall, PVC, wood, and more with interchangeable blade positions. Electricians love it because it fits in their belt instead of requiring a separate bag. The ergonomic TPR grip prevents hand fatigue during all-day use. Emergency repairs become simple when you're carrying 8 tools in one. Smart contractors are buying multiples before the next price increase hits this spring. Litholite Cordless Drill Set, 20V Max. The Litholite Cordless Drill Set offers 18 torque settings plus 1 drilling mode. That precision prevents strip screws and damaged materials that scream amateur work. The 3/8-inch quick change chuck saves minutes per project. New homeowners are choosing this over premium brands because the 2-amp-hour battery handles full furniture assembly on single charges. Professional results without professional prices. Current demand is outpacing supply in major markets. Multitool 1330 for Joint Master. Multitool's Joint Master eliminates dowel and guesswork completely. This self-clamping aluminum jig auto-centers for perfect alignment every single time. Production woodworkers report tripling their output because repositioning takes seconds, not minutes. The all-aluminum construction means it'll outlast your other tools. Accurate joinery separates professional furniture from hobby projects. Early adopters kept this quiet for months to maintain their competitive edge. In custom furniture markets, DustStopper Pro Low-Profile Dust Separator. The DustStopper Pro extends vacuum filter life by 10 times. It separates coarse debris before it reaches your filter using cyclonic action. Workshop owners calculate saving $300 annually on replacement filters alone. The low-profile design fits under workbenches where space is tight. High-flow elbows maintain suction power while capturing 99% of dust. As lumber prices rise, protecting equipment investments matters more than ever. Woodstarter Cordless Jigsaw Tool. Woodstarter's cordless jigsaw brings studio-quality cuts to mobile workshops. The brushless motor and 3-position orbital control handle intricate curves that battery tools previously couldn't manage. Furniture makers are going fully cordless because this delivers corded performance without the hassle. Integrated dust collection keeps cut lines visible for precision work. The freedom to work anywhere garage, driveway, job site changes how you approach projects. Battery runtime outlasts most workdays. Rockler Mini Deluxe Panel Clamps. Rockler's mini panel clamps apply 4-directional pressure for glue-ups that stay perfectly flat. The sawtooth pattern prevents slippage better than smooth clamp faces. Cutting board makers swear by these because edge alignment determines whether boards sell or get rejected. Small panel work used to require improvised solutions, but these deliver professional pressure distribution. The included storage rail keeps them organized and ready. Serious hobbyists consider these essential, not optional. NACO 10882A Cordless Rotary Hammer Drill. The NACO Cordless Rotary Hammer punches through concrete and brick without breaking a sweat. 1400 RPM and 4500 beats per minute deliver power. that corded models struggle to match. The brushless motor means less maintenance and longer run time. Construction crews switch because eliminating extension cords saves setup time on every job. SDS Plus compatibility accepts professional grade bits. Inventory shortages are common as more contractors discover cordless capability. EGOO heavy-duty undercut saw jam saw kit. EGOO's 1800-watt undercut saw handles continuous professional use without overheating. It includes alloy and diamond blades for materials from wood to ceramic tile. The extended cord reaches across job sites without requiring generators. Renovation contractors report this cuts door jam preparation time from 30 minutes to 5. That efficiency multiplies across dozens of doorways per project. Professional grade durability at mid-range pricing makes this a strategic investment. For serious operators, Hooper Digital Angle Gauge Protractor, finishing with the Hooper Digital Angle Gauge. Accurate to 1/10 of 1 degree. Temperature stability ensures measurements stay consistent from morning to afternoon. The calibration mode adjusts for any surface, eliminating guesswork. Installers say this prevents costly rework from accumulated angle errors. Professional credibility comes from precision that clients can verify. A single mistake from inaccurate measurements costs more than this tool. Smart professionals eliminate that risk completely before it happens. Fiskars Power Gear Loppers. First up, the Fiskars Power Gear Loppers. This isn't your average branch trimmer. The Power Gear mechanism multiplies your cutting force, letting you slice through branches up to 1¼ inches thick with minimal effort. No more arm fatigue after 30 minutes of pruning. The rust-resistant steel blade stays sharp season after season. Over 10,000 verified buyers call this their go-to-garden tool. And limited spring stock means prices jump fast. Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool next. The Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool solves 15 different measuring problems. With one compact aluminum body, copy complex edges, mark precise angles, and trace irregular profiles without measurement errors. Die forums are obsessed with this because it replaces an entire toolbox of specialty markers. It's pocket-sized yet incredibly durable. At this budget price point, you're getting professional accuracy that usually costs triple. Grab it before the next price increase. Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig. The Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig eliminates cabinet installation guesswork completely. Drill perfectly aligned 35mm cup holes every single time without templates or complex measurements. Cabinet makers charge premium rates for flawless hinge work, and this tool delivers that precision instantly. Adjustable positioning means repeatable results across unlimited doors. Thousands of installers trust Kreg's reputation for accuracy. Your kitchen upgrade just became a one-person job. Johnson Level Johnny Square. Number 4 is the Johnson Level Johnny Square with integrated level vial. This combines two essential tools into one indestructible aluminum frame. Check angles and level simultaneously without switching tools mid-cut. Construction crews save hours daily with this 7-inch powerhouse. The built-in vial delivers bubble-level accuracy while you mark rafter cuts. Smart design that contractors refuse to work without. One tool, dual functions, zero compromises on accuracy. MYTEC Home Vise. The MyTech Home Vise clamps onto any surface and holds small projects rock solid. This 2.5-inch vise transforms any table into a secure workstation instantly. Perfect for detail work, repairs, and hobby projects where precision matters. Metal construction handles serious torque without flexing. Thousands of model builders and home repairers keep this in their portable toolkit. Budget-friendly pricing with professional holding power. Secure your next project properly. Daydor Self-Centering Dowel Jig. The Daydor Self-Centering Dowel Jig delivers flawless furniture joints in 30 seconds flat. 6 steel bushings guide your drill bit to perfect center every time, eliminating the alignment failures that ruin expensive wood. Woodworking communities swear by this for rock-solid joinery without expensive equipment. Universal capacity fits multiple wood thicknesses. At this entry price, you're getting repeatable professional results. Your furniture projects just became gallery-worthy. PowerTech Universal Depth Gauge. Here's number 7, the game changer. The PowerTech Universal 5-in-1 Depth Gauge replaces 5 separate measuring tools instantly. Set router bit heights, check saw blade depths, measure chisel angles, verify drill points, all with one compact tool. Professional woodworkers call this their secret weapon for consistent results. Zero setup errors mean zero wasted materials. Table saw and router table compatible. This single tool has prevented more costly mistakes than any other in my workshop. MD Smart Tool electronic level. The MD Smart Tool takes guessing out of angle work completely. This 24-inch digital level displays precise measurements in degrees, percent, or pitch instantly. Measures full 360-degree angles with 0.1 accuracy. Construction professionals trust digital readouts over bubble vials for critical installations. Auto shut-off preserves battery, and aluminum construction survives job site abuse. When roof pitch or deck slope must be exact, this eliminates human error entirely. Authentic Pocket Engineer Tool. The Authentic Pocket Engineer fits an entire drafting kit in 3 inches of metal. This mini ruler protractor compass combination lives in your pocket and delivers measurement precision anywhere. Engineering students and professionals love this as the ultimate everyday carry tool. Metric scaling with durable metal construction makes it a conversation-starting gift. Graduation season drives prices up, so lock in current pricing. Small size, massive functionality. Unforgettable gift. Ultra-Wall Wood Organizer Racks. The Ultra-Wall Wood Organizer Racks reclaim your shop floor instantly. 3-level wall mount design holds lumber, plywood, and long materials securely off the ground. Heavy-duty metal construction supports serious weight without sagging. Workshop makeover videos featuring these racks get millions of views because the transformation is dramatic. Stop tripping over scattered wood and start maximizing vertical space. Modular design expands as your material collection grows. Labor-saving arm jack. The labor-saving arm jack lets one person do 2-person cabinet installation solo. These 12-inch handles lift and position panels up to 440 pounds. With precise height control, tile setters and cabinet installers call these indispensable for solo professional work. Eliminate the helper you can't afford or can't schedule. Adjustable positioning holds material steady during final fastening. 2-pack means simultaneous support on both sides. Milescraft Center Finder. The Milescraft Center Finder marks perfect centers on round and square stock in 5 seconds. No more measuring, dividing, and hoping you calculate it correctly. Woodworkers eliminate drilling mistakes that ruin expensive materials. Compact design with offset marking capability handles multiple layout tasks. Budget pricing with precision that rivals tools costing 5 times more. Thousands of verified users call this their most reached for marking tool. Premium Carbide Scraper. This premium ergonomic carbide scraper removes paint, glue, varnish, and stubborn residue without surface damage. The 2.5-inch carbide edge stays sharp through hundreds of projects, while cheap scrapers dull instantly. Restoration experts choose carbide for tough removal jobs that defeat standard tools. Ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue during extended scraping sessions. Before and after transformations with this tool go viral because results look impossible. Rex Betty 25-piece metal file set. The Rex Betty 25-piece file set includes everything from large files to precision needle files in one organized case. T12 drop forged alloy steel means professional durability at hobbyist pricing. Flat, triangle, half round, and round profiles handle every shaping task. Includes 6 sandpapers, cleaning brush, and working gloves. Metal workers and restoration enthusiasts call this the ultimate starter kit. Complete your file collection in one purchase. Tech 46-piece metal file set. Finally, the BTEC 46-piece metal file set is the comprehensive solution for serious workshops. 14 needle files plus for large woodworking files cover professional and hobby applications. When you need the exact file profile for specialized work, this massive selection delivers. One-time investment eliminates years of buying individual files. Metal workers upgrading their shops choose complete sets for efficiency. Equip your workshop completely today. These 15 tools transform amateur workshops into professional operations overnight. If this video saved you from buying the wrong equipment, smash that subscribe button so you never miss our tool reviews. Drop a comment telling me which tool you're adding to your cart first. Hit the like button if number 7 blew your mind like it did mine. Next video reveals the top 10 power tools under $50. See you there.